Okay, so look, y'all, check. I'm back with another video, but I'm gonna do something different this time. Instead of just preaching to y'all about real estate credit and all the above, I'm gonna actually show y'all a DIY trick that's gonna literally save you thousands from repairing a hot water heater elements by themselves. Not replacing the whole hot water heater, but just changing out the elements. And it's gonna save you thousands of dollars in labor and installation, as well as buying a whole nother hot water heater. So stick around. I'm gonna show you I don't just invest in real estate. I actually make repairs and do a lot of hands-on stuff myself, saving me money in the long run, increasing my property value, and getting me more in the long run.
All of the equipment.
Right now, draining the water out the tank. So when I loose the elements, water don't come shooting out. I already shut off the power, as you can see. That's why it's dark in here. But got my handy flashlight.
I'm storing the water heater elements.
But main thing first, I always shut that power off. Drain that water out the tank. Make sure you got a dry workspace. Alright, I'll let you keep it. That's the part that takes the longest. Some people go get on just unloose it. And put a bucket up under there and catch it, but I won't be doing it today because as you can see, this ain't just no regular house. It's pretty fairly decent, so I don't want to make a big old mess. But ghetto, nigga rig, unloose it. Let the water shoot in the bucket. Needed something to divert the water because the water hose wasn't working. I found it. Going right into the drain. Quick and easy. Instead of keep dumping the buckets. Then I use my pot to help me hold it up. Yep, real creative. That's as creative as it's gonna get. Instead of keep on dumping this bucket. So by now, half the water should have been in the drain enough to where I can do the top. So,
Okay, so now right here, it's important to remember which wires go where, even if you gotta take a picture of it to remember. That way, you're not reassembling it the wrong way and putting the wrong wires in spots they're not supposed to go. Okay, now this special socket right here that you see me using, this could be bought along with the same packet of elements wherever you buy them from, whether Home Depots, Lowe's, or wherever. Sometimes it may not fit. You may have to switch it and find another one, but for the most part, long as you buy it as a package, it should fit that specific element.
Still have water in there.
Unfortunately, I let it drain hard enough. So now I'm just catching with the water. This motherfucker was out of shoe fit. So it's been draining for about at least a half hour now.
Now, all this yucky white stuff that you're seeing is pretty much the corrosion and the buildup of what caused you to have to replace your hot water heater to begin with. Okay, so now as you can see from this demonstration right here, I'm first showing you the way of not to do it, because I was even tempted to do it on my first go round as far as installing the wires back in the element where I could get a better handle on it from the outside. But what you want to actually do is put it on the inside first and realign it back the way that you've done it from the start, not from the outside, because what you're going to do is wire it only to realize, dang, this don't fit in there. Okay, so once you establish, of course, the correct way of putting it back in, what you want to do is repeat the same thing for the bottom one. If you replace the top and bottom elements, which I highly recommend, and what you want to do is cut the hot water heater back on, but wait at least 1 to 2 hours before you even run the water. That way it gives it time to build back up, fill the tank up, and let them heating elements get back hot enough to, you know, produce that hot water that you're aiming for. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next. And of course, I want to keep this video as short as possible, straight, direct to the point, and, you know, not to bore you guys out. So it was a few things left out, but if you need any tips, you know, walkthroughs or whatever, DM me, contact me, let me know what it is that you need more information on, and I got you. Until the next one, peace.